Tutorial to create Employee Master. Step 1. From the menu bar, choose Accounts, then Employee, and select Manage Employees menu. Step 2. Click the New Entry button on the right of the screen to start creating the master. This creates a new system-generated ID, which cannot be changed by the user, and all default values get set. If you want to check the last master created from this terminal, you can click the Cancel button. After clicking the New Entry button, always make sure that a new master ID and all default values have reflected. When making a new entry, do not use the mouse and click on fields to enter values. We will be using the Enter key to move from one field to the other. This also ensures that data validation is completed. Step 3. The cursor is on Description, which is where we start. Enter the name of the employee. Press the Enter key when done. Step 4. We are now on the Alias field, where we can enter a secondary name for the master. You can leave it empty if not required. Press Enter to move forward. Step 5. We are now on the Group field. The default group ID is already set. We can select a different group ID if required. Type the first few letters of the group and press the Enter key. This brings up the lookup list from where we can select the appropriate group. If you know the exact group ID, you can directly enter the shortened form of the ID. When finished, press the Enter key. The group name gets displayed, and focus shifts to next field. The description and group are mandatory, whereas address, contact numbers, and email are all optional. Step 6. The focus is now on the Address field. We have 3 lines to store the employee address. Press Enter from each. When done, it can be left empty if not required. Step 7. After the 3 address fields, we have the telephone. Press Enter key when finished. Step 8. Next we have the mobile. When done, press Enter to move to next field. Step 9. Now we are on the email field. Again press Enter when completed. Step 10. The focus shifts to the Save button on the right of the screen. Press Enter or click the Save button to complete the master creation. Step 11. Click Exit to close the Manage Employees screen, or repeat from Step 2 if you want to make another employee master.